To enable or disable camera watermark on the Xiaomi 17, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to the camera. Once we open the camera app, you can swipe it down on the camera preview, or you can tap on this arrow that we have at the top of the screen in order to open this section, and this should include settings option. Once we go to camera settings, we should be able to find a watermark option in the photo tab. So we can go over here, we can enable the photo watermark, and we can customize it as well. So we have a couple of different options that we can go through. Actually, there's quite a bit of them. So you can try to find your favorite watermark that you wish to use, and then once you select it, you can tap again in order to customize it. So you can, for example, adjust the frame background. You can include your own image, for example, a photo of yourself. We can adjust the position, we have lens parameters, the time, and so on and so forth. And of course, some other watermark option may include more or different customization options. And that is pretty much it. Besides that, the watermark can also be toggled via this menu, this additional menu that we opened to access the settings, which in my case is over here. So as you can see, we can still enable and disable it in here as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.